Welcome back, Sideways fam. Today we have Johnny's car going on the dyno to complete one of the S14s that's been here for the last few weeks getting built. So we're gonna do a quick run around right now of everything that's going on with the vehicle and everything that's been done. If you haven't seen the other videos, obviously go check them out. There is a lot of S chassis that get built here with JZs in them. This is Taylor Tunes S14 Koki that we're building right now that should be going on the dyno probably the week after. Surge tank, fully built RM54, 1.5J, car made about 540, 560 horsepower on the dyno. Last time it was on the dyno on AEM V1, we just made him a brand new wiring harness and doing a whole bunch of work on him. But today is not about Cole, today is about Johnny. So his swap looks absolutely beautiful. His car is another 98 Koki, absolutely beautiful. Nice kit on it. They are, you know, both cars look very similar, guys, but they're not the same cars. This one's got the nice S14 wing on it, OEM taillights. Cole's got the LED taillights. Lots of different differences, so do not get them mixed up. But let me go ahead and put the camera right now and show you guys what we're working with inside and out. And then we're gonna go ahead and wash the car. We're gonna go make sure we have gas for the dyno to do the pump gas. The car is on AEM Infinity with Brian Crowder 264 cams, a comp, I believe this is a comp 6465 with a 81 A, or sorry, 68 AR since it is a 1JZ. T4 journal bearing billet turbo. It's got a turbo smart hypergate, wastegate on it, 45 millimeter with a Superstore manifold. And let's get right into it right now. So first looks. Wow, what a complete difference from that super crappy KAT setup that was in this car originally. Lots of money went into this build to get it to be here where it is now, and I think it just looks absolutely great. Nice shiny turbo. We went ahead and did one of our brushed finish top covers. I've never done it brushed before. It looks pretty cool. It matches the intake manifold and stuff too. Got the nice Kings Royal intake manifold, 90mm throttle body, you know, 3-inch intercooler piping. Got all that situated with what he has. But another super cool thing about this car is, what a sleeper, guys. Like all OEM JDM kit, and look at the interior in this thing, you guys. I mean, get the towel out of here. Look at the interior in this car. So freaking beautiful. Put the shifter in the OEM location with the OEM shift boot, and even all the wiring under the dash is like just completely tucked away. We went ahead and went with the 7-inch BTI screen as we do for all of our S chassis customers. So let's go ahead and get this thing washed up since she is dirty and has been kind of getting worked on for the last few weeks. And let's get going because we have a long day on dyno today with a lot of stuff that we're gonna get done today to get the day completed. Johnny's S14 on our way to dyno. So let's get it, guys. Come on, let's go. All right, guys, so we're here at Pepsi USA. The S14's on the dyno, all loaded up. We're already started to idle, getting everything set up. We're gonna start rolling right now. This is on pump gas 91 right now, so let's get right into it and see how it does today. All right, guys, so that was the first full pull on 91 at about 16 PSI on a 1JZ non-BBTI with 264 cam. Right now, we only rev it to about 6,500, so we want to make sure everything's going to hold together. So now we're going to go ahead and bring the red line back up to about 7, where a 1J is kind of happy there. You can go higher, but to be safe with this, we want to keep it around 7,000 RPM. So it's just going to be a tree-driven daily car anyway, so we should hit about 400 horsepower right now, and then we'll probably be converting to E85. Like we said.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What's up, ugly?
Hey, man. How are you?
All right, guys, so E85 is in and we're rolling right now. So we're gonna go ahead and work up the scale to where we're gonna start doing pulls. So we should see about a 60 horsepower increase right now from just doing the E85 changeover. So stay with it and we'll see what she makes. We're going for about a 500 horsepower number. I guess we'll see what it does on the boost. I mean, I don't like to run really above 20 pounds on really anything that's going to be kind of stock engine or just kind of what it is. So that we told the customer about 500 horsepower. I'm sure we'll probably hit it on the head. Maybe dial it back down after. We'll see what's up. So let's get into it. Cool little thing right now. They just took the cover off of the Pexi USA JDM-D1 car. So you guys actually get to see it this time for once. Nice. All right, guys, so another successful day. Just made 517 horsepower on the dyno with this on the last pull. We're gonna go ahead and cut it. That's the end, so that's a wrap. So we're gonna go ahead and get it unloaded, get it back to the shop, get it all cleaned up and ready for the customer for pickup. Do a two-step video later on today, and that'll pretty much be the end of the video, guys. All right, guys, so we're back at the shop. Dyno is completed, made a nice over 500 horsepower number on this build. Johnny's car is ready to go home. Unfortunately, the car does not have tags, or maybe we would have possibly been able to get the car out to show you guys tonight at one of our typical car meets that we typically go to and stuff like that locally. But the car is ready for pickup. We're going to go ahead and do two-step and anti-lag stuff right now when Danny gets here, when it gets a little bit darker. And that's going to pretty much conclude the video, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do some last shoots and last views of the car before we go ahead and send them on its way. And thanks for watching. See you next time.